morning, good morning, good morning. So the message this morning is we need to start picking quality over quantity. And this goes for any aspect in life. As humans, we get greedy. We want a lot. We want more and more and more. And a lot of times we sacrifice the quality of things just for more. So for instance, food. A lot of times we go for the cheap food and getting it in mass quantities rather than getting the quality of food. You know, it's like fast food. They'll sell you, fast food will sell you 5 cheeseburgers for $5. Or you can go to a restaurant and you can get 1 cheeseburger for about $10. Most Americans go for that 5 for $5 because, you know, we want quantity, we want more. We're greedy individuals. We have to change that. We got to start looking at quality, right? Friendships. We want to be popular. We want to be famous. We want everybody to know us. But what's the quality? If you have let's just say 100, 200, what if you have 200 friends? How good of a friend can you be to all those 200 people? You know, I'd rather have 5 solid friends. I would rather have 5 solid friends, family friends I keep close to me around my circle than 200 acquaintances or 200 people that just know me, you know. Guys, if we start picking quality over quantity, your life is going to change. You're going to live a happier life. Because, guys, it's not about having the most. You know, it's not about, having, 5 cars. It's not about having 5 houses. It's not about having, like I said, 5 girlfriends. I'd rather take 1 great woman than have 5 girlfriends. It's us as humans, stop being greedy, stop taking more than we deserve. And it's also us getting what we deserve. You know, we live in a life where it's just take. I want more, I want more, I want more. And it's just the quality is so shit. If you watch TV, and this goes back to like fast food and all this shit, the new marketing now is less for more. You get more for less. You get more of a product for less money. But guess what? That product is crap. The product is going to break. The product is going to give you some kind of cancer. The product is going to kill your health. And we want cheap. We want cheap. Because we want to save money or because we don't want to work too hard or, we think we're getting a better deal. But come on, guys. I'd rather pay extra money for better service, for something that's going to last a lot longer. Shoes. Yeah, you can go buy that $10 pair of shoes, but they're going to break in about 10 days. Come on, man. You're looking for a better life. You got to start looking at the quality of things. Right? Working out. It's not about how many workouts can I do in a week. It's what are the quality of these workouts I'm doing this week? I'd rather do 3 great, effective workouts that you execute than doing 7 workouts in a week, working out every day. I'd rather you work out 3 days a week, perfect each movement, perfect the workout, than work 7 days a week and just kind of show up and half-ass it. You know? I'd rather you do 5 perfect repetitions rather than do 20 mediocre ones. You know?